You don't need to wait years. You don't need to wait for a miracle. All you need to do is give yourself 90 days, just 3 months, and of focus, discipline, and consistency, and you will see a completely different you. It's just all about stacking small habits, so day after day, until they just turn into something massive. Just 90 days of commitment will just change your mindset, and once you change your mindset, it will drastically change your life, basically. But Hemiplegia stole something from you: your body, your movement, your confidence. Most people just waste 90 days without even noticing it. 90 days of scrolling, 90 days of complaining, eating junk food, wishing life was different. But at the end of the day, if you wish your life was different and not do anything about it, you'll never get anywhere. But if you do the 90 days of consistency, the discipline, and just the routine of doing it, you will get there. Just every single morning you wake up, you have a choice to stay a victim or to step into the fight and just truly commit. Those 90 days will break you down, but it will rebuild you into something stronger, sharper, and just unshakable. But here's a part you need to listen to, and the one step to going forward is just to set one physical goal. So that is maybe improving your balance, or walking longer, or building strength on what you're working on, or just choose something measurable. And then the next thing is just to set one mental goal each day, and that might be reading 10 pages of a book, meditating, journaling. Mental strength is more as important as physical strength as well. Lock in a daily routine, so you can either, as soon as you wake up, stretch, rehab training. The routine becomes your discipline, and no negotiations whether you want to do it or not. You need to just set yourself a daily routine. It can change. I've done it before, just like either dial it back a bit if it's too much for you, or improve on it if it's too easy for yourself, and just track everything that you do. So write down your progress, even the smallest changes. After 90 days you'll see proof on a book, or even just film it. You'll just see from day one what you can do, and to day 90 what you can do as well. And honestly, it will change your mindset on what you can do. I'd say just to record it, so you can just visually see what you could do before and what you can do after, and cut out distractions, so no wasting hours on meaningless scrolling. Your time belongs to healing and not comfort. So I think 90 days is a long time, but it's really not. 3 months isn't a long time, and if you go all in and no excuses, no comfort, no quitting, and by the end of it you will be a stronger person, and if you don't, you won't be, and you will be transformed if you do. And you'll just be like, oh, I couldn't do that 3 months ago. And that's tying back to tracking your progress. And you'll be more motivated when you do the 90 days. If you sweat, struggle, just dial it back and improve it once it is easier. Become the person who wants to commit. Here's a choice. 90 days will pass whatever you do. Time doesn't stop for nobody. However, if you do the things that you set yourself to, you will get there and you will improve. But if you don't, you'll just stay in the same position than you are now. Just 90 days of discipline, 90 days of strength, 90 days of a new identity. Your life with hemiplegia is not over. In the 90 days, it can begin again. But if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.